Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. Once you have a serious buyer, you might want to fill out a bill of sale. Delaware does require one in some circumstances, so it's a good idea to have one just in case. This state requires you to file a seller's report of sale. You can do so on the DMV's website. This releases you from liability just in case the vehicle is involved in any sort of legal trouble. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all of the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. If you have a lost or misplaced title, you can request a replacement by filling out Form MV213 on the DMV's website. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to remove the license plates and return them to a DMV. You can mail them in if needed. You'll also need to contact your insurance agency and cancel any existing coverage on the vehicle. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.